I will just tell you all using some techniques so that it becomes very easy for you to do the estimation or rounding off. Okay?
Okay.
So, first of all, we will start with rounding off to the nearest 10. We'll take a simpler one, then we will move to a tough part. Okay, kids, ready for it?
Okay.
Okay, so you all know that rounding off or estimation is basically what? Where we have a number, okay, and we move. Yes, Hasini, tell me, you want to tell?
Like wait. So rounding or estimation is basically what number you have, and you
Hmm,
need to try to move it to the nearest tens, hundreds, or thousands. Like
exactly.
for example, if it was 15, then it will be
Hmm.
20, because if it is 5, you have to go over. You're not supposed to be going under.
Yeah, exactly. Very good. Okay, so in a very simple term, if you want to understand it, so basically you are being given a number and you to move to the nearest
10.
tens of that number or nearest hundreds of that number or nearest thousands of that number. Okay.
Okay.
How now the very first thing which you all need to do when you are being given a number is to take the other two numbers where you have to go. For example, I'll just take an example and explain it so that it becomes easy for you to
Can I
understand.
choose a
Suppose
number?
I take,
Can I choose a number?
yeah, okay, tell.
Why don't we take
Firstly, take a
40?
two-digit number, Hasini.
Okay.
Yeah,
What about um 46?
okay, we will take 46. Okay, so now this 46 is the number which is being given to you, and you need to guess where will be the rounding off of this 46 to the nearest 10 or the estimation of this 46 to the nearest 10. Yes, there. I'll come to it. Just a second. Firstly, let me explain it. Then I'll ask questions. Okay, one by one. I will come to all of you. Okay.
I don't answer.
Yeah, I know that you all know answer to this, but why I'm explaining it because after this I'll go to a four-digit number as well. Okay. So, kids, the very first step which you need to do when you are being provided with a number is yes, Dhari, I got your answer. To guess or take the two numbers between which this 46 will come. And since we are talking about rounding off to the nearest 10, you cannot take 100 or 200 like that. Okay, this 46 will come in between which two tens? This 46 will come in between which two tens? Yes,
40
there it is.
and
Exactly.
40.
Yeah. It will come in between 40 and 50. Okay. And now you all know that if we are talking about rounding off to the nearest 10, we look at the digit which is at the ones place. If this digit is greater than or equal to 5, we move to the upper 10. Yes, and if it is less than 5, if this digit is less than 5, we move to the lower tens. Now, this 6, is it greater than 5 or less than 5?
Greater than 5.
It's greater than 5, and that's why this 46 will round off to 50.